Fire in the Blackstone griddle, let's cook some pizza roll-ups. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard griddle. Today what I got going on, we're gonna make these pizza roll-ups. This is a real easy recipe that's gonna, it makes you, it's just easy as it can be. Get a flour tortilla, biggest ones you can find. Got some tomato sauce. This happens to be my favorite jarred tomato sauce. It's Bertoli's Vineyard marinara. It's just what I like. You put whatever you like, make your own sauce, whatever. Spread some sauce out on there. This one's gonna be for my wife. We're gonna start this out with some, I'm gonna put some Tango spice porchetta rub on hers, just a little bit of seasoning, you know, a little Italian seasoning, give it some flavor. Then I've got some provolone cheese. Notice I'm letting it overlap right here. That's going to be the glue that holds this whole thing together. Provolone cheese, and she wanted some pepperoni on hers. I'm not a big fan of pepperoni. She likes it. So we're going to put some pepperoni on hers. A few slices of pepperoni. About 4 slices of pepperoni. Let's slice thin. And all we got to do is, got that done, we just got to roll it up. So let's roll it up like this. Could have put more sauce, could have put more cheese, you put whatever you want on there. But anyway, yeah, there you go. Oh, you know what? I got some, whoops. Uh-oh. I got some, where'd it go? Here it is. Ah! Some shredded Parmigiano cheese, and I'm going to put right there at the end. That's going to be a little cheese glue at the end to hold that whole thing together. Plus, you know, it'll taste good. Shredded Parmesan. We're going to roll that up. Roll that up like that. There you go. That's one done. I'm going to set that aside and make mine. Make one for me. Let me get that off of there. Set that aside. Okay, here's mine. Flour tortilla, some tomato sauce, a little bit of tomato sauce. Like I said, this is a jarred tomato sauce, comes in a jar, it's no big deal. And then on mine I want something different. I want some salami. Well, first the provolone. Provolone's first because that's the glue that holds this whole thing together. 2 pieces of provolone, because that's going to melt and hold the edges together. Then I've got some salami. Genoa salami is my favorite. Genoa salami on there. About 3 slices of that should do it. Don't want to pack these up too much, you know what I mean? And I've got some ham. Just some deli ham. I'm going to put on there. So hers has got pepperoni and cheese, and mine's got ham, salami, and cheese. Put a couple of slices of ham on there. There you go. A little bit of ham. And I'm going to put some Tango spice. Rome is burning, because that's my favorite Italian spice seasoning blend, because it's got a little bit of red pepper in it, which makes it good. I'm going to throw some fresh basil on there that I just happen to have some fresh basil. I'm going to tear up a few pieces of fresh basil on there just to make it look nice. There you go. That's it. I just got to roll that up. Roll it up tight. I put some of that Parmesan at the end. That's the glue. Cheese glue. You ever hear of that? Okay. Alright, let me get that one rolled up. That's number 2. Let me get a couple more made. We'll fire up the griddle and I'll start cooking these. So stay tuned. I got the Blackstone fired up on medium heat. We're going to throw down some Pam cooking spray. As an alternative to olive oil. Just wet that thing down with some Pam. In the cooking zones. You could also season with Pam if you wanted to, you know. It's good stuff. It's just oil in a spray bottle. And we're going to throw down my pizza roll-ups. Here's number 1. That's going to be, that one's got everything in it. And here's number 2. This has got ham and salami in it. This one's got ham and salami in it. And this one's got pepperoni and cheese for my wife, who doesn't like salami or ham. And here's her other one, her other pepperoni one. Yeah. We're just going to get them on there, get them frying a little bit, toast them up a little bit, then I'll get them in a plate, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. We could just hang out here a while if you wanted to. Just roll them over. They're almost done now. See, they're starting to brown up. Just roll that puppy over. It's got plenty of, I should be using the tongs or something, huh? Plenty of cheese in there to keep that thing shut. We're just going to brown it up all around and let that cheese melt. Get them up on their side like that. Get them up on the side. Cook all sides of it. I should be doing that with the spatula instead of my fingers. Yeah, let's roll that up like that. Pizza roll-ups. What could be better? What could be easier? Let's get them cooked up. And I need a little bit more Pam there, I think. Get some Pam on there, get it frying. We'll get them cooked up, show you what that looks like. We'll get them off there, cut them open, and drink a beer, so stay tuned. Those pizza roll-ups are starting to get browned up nicely. It's time to get them off there, cut them open, and take a taste, so stay tuned. The pizza roll-ups are done. Here's the frosty root boy mug. Here's today's beer. This is Father Francesco Belgian style golden ale from the Wynwood Brewing Company in Miami. Very close by to me, Rob. Very close by. Wynwood Brewing Company, a good brewing company. This is a Belgian style golden ale. I can't wait to see what it looks like. It's golden, all right. There's no doubt about that. It's very golden. This is going to be delicious with my pizza roll-ups. Nice head on that. Wynwood Brewing Company, a nice brewing company. What's the ABV on that? Anybody know? Government warning. Oh, it's what? 9.3%. That's a lot, Rob. I'll be drunk soon. Okay, yeah. Let's take a sniff of that, Rob. What do you think? 9.3%. Smells excellent. A golden Belgian style golden ale. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Wow. That's delicious. Hey, let me get my pizza roll-ups over here. I bet that melty cheese is going to be hot, but I'm going to try it anyway. I got to get a taste of that, right? Don't you think? I got to get some of that in my mouth. Wait. Mmm. Oh. That's delicious. Mmm. Piece of hot tomato fell out of my hand. That's really good. I'm really surprised. So easy and so delicious. Mmm. Wow. That's really good. Hey, babies, you gotta make this for your kids. They'll love it. I need a napkin. Yeah. Anyway, that's my video. It's kind of a last minute thing. I had something else planned, but I had to put it on the shelf till next week. But anyway, that's my video. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but I bet we cook something cool. This is really good. These pizza roll-ups are delicious. And yeah, if you know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go see my buddy Rob, the barbecue pit dog. He's my drinking buddy. This is some good beer, Rob. You might be able to find it at Publix, Father Francesco. It's kind of high alcohol, but it's delicious. Belgian golden ale. Hey, babies, that's my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, ring the bell, all that nonsense. Okay, we'll see you next week. Bye.